Welcome back, AI Techtiles. Today we're going to explore a popular debate in the world of data science, Python versus R. Both of these languages are powerful and widely used, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. Python was created as a general-purpose language that's easy to read and write. On the other hand, R was built specifically by statisticians for statistical computing. This difference in origin still impacts how they're used today. Now, let's talk popularity. Python has a larger, more diverse user base and is used across various fields like web development, automation, machine learning, and of course data science. Meanwhile, R is the top choice in academia, especially for statisticians who need to dive deep into data analysis and visualization. When it comes to learning the languages, Python syntax is simpler and more intuitive, making it great for beginners. The code reads almost like plain English. R, however, can be a little trickier to grasp at first, but once you get comfortable, it's extremely powerful for handling complex data analysis. Both languages have strong libraries, but they specialize in different areas. Python has pandas for data manipulation, matplotlib for visualization, and TensorFlow for machine learning. R shines with its specialized packages like dplyr for data manipulation and ggplot2, which is fantastic for creating detailed visualizations. For visualizations, R has the edge with ggplot2, which is known for producing high-quality, complex graphs. However, Python is catching up, especially with tools like Plotly for interactive visualizations. When it comes to machine learning, Python really takes the lead. With libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn, it's the go-to language for AI and deep learning. R can still handle machine learning but is better suited for basic statistical models. Now, let's talk performance. Neither Python nor R are known for being super fast, especially with large datasets. However, Python has tools like Number to optimize speed. R can improve its performance with certain packages like data.table, but overall, Python tends to handle large-scale tasks more efficiently. Python also integrates easily with other tools and technologies, making it ideal for web development, databases, and cloud platforms. R is more specialized for statistical tasks but can still be integrated with other tools through packages like Reticulate, which allows it to work with Python. So, when should you use Python and when should you use R? If you're working on projects that involve data processing, machine learning, or even web development, Python is a great choice. But if you're focused on statistics, data visualization, or working in an academic setting, R might be the better option. In the end, it really depends on what you need to accomplish. Many data scientists actually use both languages, picking the best one for the task at hand. So, whether you choose Python, R, or both, you're in good hands.